essential for faster processing, improved multitasking, higher bandwidth, and future-proofing modern gaming, content creation, and high-performance computing systems. My today's video is about top 5 best DDR5 RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair DDR5 RAM. This DDR5 RAM delivers a strong blend of performance, stability, and visual appeal, making it ideal for modern high-end PC builds. Its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, with individually addressable LEDs and a panoramic light bar, creates vibrant illumination visible from any angle, enhancing overall system aesthetics. Built-in onboard voltage regulation ensures more stable and precise overclocking, allowing users to fine-tune performance efficiently through Corsair ICUE software compared to previous generations. The support for custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles further elevates flexibility, enabling users to optimize memory settings for different applications or workloads with ease. Through ICUE, users can also create or select from numerous lighting presets, offering deep customization options. Engineered for maximum bandwidth and tight response times, this RAM is optimized for the latest Intel DDR5 platforms, delivering faster data handling, smoother multitasking, and improved responsiveness for gaming, content creation, and demanding productivity tasks. Now our second product is Crucial DDR5 RAM. This 32GB DDR5 2x16GB laptop memory kit delivers a significant performance leap for modern computing, especially for users who demand smooth multitasking and responsive system behavior. With selectable speeds of 5,600 MHz, 5,200 MHz, and 4,800 MHz, it adapts well to different system capabilities while maintaining stability. In real-world use, it noticeably reduces lag when running multiple applications, handling large datasets, or gaming with background tasks active. Gamers benefit from improved frame consistency and reduced latency, which can make a difference in competitive scenarios. Its compatibility with 12th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 7000 platforms, along with support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, ensures easy optimization without complex tuning. Built on Micron's decades of memory expertise, it offers strong reliability backed by rigorous testing at both chip and module levels. Operating at just 1.1 V, this non-ECC SODIMM kit balances efficiency, speed, and stability for demanding laptop users. Third product is TeamGUP DDR5 RAM. This memory kit positions itself as a high-performance upgrade aimed at redefining system responsiveness and creative workflows. In practical terms, its emphasis on unlimited creativity translates into stable, consistent performance under heavy multitasking, making it suitable for content creators, gamers, and professionals who push their systems hard. The 10-layer PCB design with professional anti-interference shielding is a notable highlight, as it helps maintain signal integrity and ensures sustainable performance even under prolonged workloads or overclock conditions. Compatibility is another strong point, with optimized support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, allowing users to fine-tune performance with minimal effort depending on their platform. Reliability is reinforced through rigorous design standards and a lifetime warranty, offering long-term peace of mind. Overall, it delivers a balanced mix of stability, speed potential, and platform flexibility, making it a dependable choice for users seeking consistent high-end memory performance without compromise. Now number 4, G.Skill DDR5 RAM. The G.Skill Flare X5 DDR5 32GB, 2x16GB kit is a performance-focused memory solution designed for modern AMD desktop platforms, especially X670, B650, and related chipsets. Rated at a high-speed DDR5-6000 with tight cell 30-38-38-96 timings at 1.35 V, it delivers excellent responsiveness in gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking workloads. The low latency combined with high frequency results in noticeably smoother frame delivery and faster application loading compared to standard DDR5 kits. With built-in JEDEC default profiles and AMD Expo support, it offers both plug-and-play stability and easy overclocking optimization for users who want extra performance without complex tuning. Its match kit design ensures both modules operate in perfect sync, maximizing stability when used as intended. However, strict guidance against mixing kits highlights the importance of proper configuration for reliability. And our last choice is Lexar DDR5 RAM. The Lexar Aries Gen 2 RGB DDR5 RAM is a high-performance memory solution built for next-generation gaming and enthusiast PC builds. With speeds reaching up to 6,400 metric tons per second in tight CL30 timings, it delivers exceptional responsiveness, faster frame delivery, and reduced latency, making it ideal for competitive gaming and heavy multitasking. Its support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo ensures easy overclocking and broad platform compatibility, while the customized PCB design enhances stability during high-frequency operation. A standout feature is the advanced on-die ECC, which improves data integrity and system reliability, reducing the chance of crashes during intense workloads. The integrated PMIC optimizes power efficiency, helping maintain consistent performance without excessive energy draw. Cooling is handled by a premium 1.88mm aluminum heat spreader, effectively dissipating heat to sustain peak speeds. Combined with vibrant RGB lighting and Lexar RGB sync support, it blends strong aesthetics with solid thermal and performance engineering. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.